Beef and potato stir-fry. A quick and hearty meal you'll love. Sliced beef, diced potatoes, onion, garlic, bell pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, black pepper, green onions. Optional, chili flakes for spice. In a hot pan, sear the sliced beef with a little oil. Cook until browned and tender. Remove and set aside. Add diced potatoes to the same pan. Stir-fry until golden and cooked through. Toss in chopped onion, garlic, and bell pepper. Sauté for 2-3 minutes until fragrant and soft. Add the beef back to the pan. Pour in soy sauce, oyster sauce, and black pepper. Stir well to coat everything in the sauce. Garnish with chopped green onions. Optional, add chili flakes for extra heat, serve hot over rice, or enjoy on its own. A savory, satisfying dish ready in under 30 minutes. Juicy beef, crispy potatoes, all stir-fried to perfection in a savory sauce. This beef and potato stir-fry is your next weeknight go-to, fast, hearty, and full of flavor. Watch, try it out, and don't forget to follow for more tasty meals. Like, share, and follow for more quick and delicious recipes. Bold, savory, and delicious beef in black bean sauce. Let's make this quick and flavorful stir-fry in just minutes. Here is what we need: 400 g in beef, thinly sliced, tablespoon black bean sauce, 1 onion, sliced, 1 bell pepper, sliced, 2 garlic cloves, minced, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar oil for cooking tender beef slices, rich black bean sauce, crunchy veggies, and classic stir-fry flavors. Oil sizzling in wok or pan. Beef going in. Sear beef until browned. Set aside. Start by searing the beef on high heat until nicely browned, then remove and set aside. Add garlic, onion, and bell pepper to wok. Cook until everything's fragrant and slightly tender. Add beef back in, then pour in sauces. Add back the beef. Stir in black bean sauce, soy sauce, and sugar. Return the beef, then stir in black bean sauce, soy sauce, and a touch of sugar for balance. Toss everything together and stir-fry for another 2 to 3 minutes until the sauce clings to every bite. Serve hot over rice or noodles for the ultimate comfort meal. Easy, bold, and packed with flavor, this beef and black bean sauce is a weeknight win. Don't forget to like and share.
Craving comfort food without the meat? This vegetarian lasagna is cheesy, hearty, and 100% satisfying. Here's what you need. Cooked lasagna noodles. Cups ricotta cheese. Cups shredded mozzarella. 1/2 cup grated parmesan. Zucchinis, sliced. Bell pepper, chopped. Cups baby spinach. Cups marinara sauce. Salt, pepper. Italian herbs. Sauté zucchini, bell pepper, and spinach in olive oil. Season with salt, pepper, and Italian herbs. Cook until tender. Combine ricotta with half the mozzarella and a pinch of herbs. This is your creamy, cheesy filling. Time to layer. Start with marinara sauce, then noodles, ricotta, mix veggies, mozzarella. Repeat and finish with marinara and cheese on top. Bake at 375 degrees, 190 degrees, for 30 to 35 minutes. You want it golden, melty, and bubbling. Let it rest for 10 minutes before serving. Every bite is packed with flavor and veggie goodness. Easy. Cheesy vegetarian perfection. Like, follow, and share for more simple recipes that wow.
Get ready for explosive flavor with this spicy firecracker beef. Here is what you need. 400 g in ground beef, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, tablespoon brown sugar, tablespoon sriracha, tablespoon chili garlic sauce, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon rice vinegar, teaspoon ginger, minced, green onions and sesame seeds for garnish ground beef, fiery sauces, and a few flavor-packed basics. Start by browning your ground beef in a hot skillet. Cook until fully done and drain the fat. Toss in your minced garlic and ginger, let them sizzle to unlock all that aroma. Now mix your firecracker sauce, sweet, spicy, and tangy, all in one punch. Pour the sauce over your beef and stir well, let it bubble and get deliciously sticky. Serve it hot over fluffy rice, topped with green onions and sesame seeds. Love bold flavors? Hit that like button and share with a fellow spice lover. Craving something rich, hearty, and irresistibly creamy? Let's make classic beef stroganoff, comfort food done right. Here's what you'll need. LB beef sirloin, thinly sliced 1 small onion, diced 2 cloves garlic, minced 1 cup mushrooms, sliced 1 cup beef broth, tablespoon flour, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1/2 cup sour cream, Salt and pepper to taste. Egg noodles or rice to serve. Heat oil in a skillet over medium-high. Sear the beef until browned, then set aside. In the same pan, add onions, garlic, and mushrooms. Sauté until golden and fragrant. This is where the flavor builds. Sprinkle flour, stir, then pour in beef broth and Dijon mustard. Let it simmer until slightly thickened. Add back the beef and stir in sour cream. Let it simmer for a few minutes until creamy and delicious. Serve it hot over egg noodles, rice, or mashed potatoes. Sprinkle with parsley if you're feeling fancy. Creamy beef stroganoff in just 30 minutes. Weeknight dinner never looked so good. Like, follow, and share for more easy comfort food recipes. Get ready for the ultimate flavor-packed comfort food, the chicken fajita melt sandwich. Here's what you'll need. Thin sliced chicken breast, red and green bell peppers, red onion, fajita seasoning, shredded cheese, and toasted sandwich rolls. Start by heating olive oil in a skillet. Add the chicken and season with paprika, chili powder, cumin, salt, and pepper. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes until golden and cooked through. Now toss in those colorful peppers and onions. Sauté until they're soft and slightly charred, just like your favorite fajitas. Butter your rolls and toast them in a hot pan until golden and crisp. The crunch makes all the difference. Layer the chicken fajita mixture onto your bread, top generously with shredded cheese, and melt it to perfection under the broiler or covered in the pan. Look at that melty goodness. This chicken fajita melt is a cheesy, sizzling masterpiece. Perfect for lunch, dinner, or anytime cravings hit. Don't forget to like, save, and share this recipe with a fellow foodie.